How to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of menu. After you land to the menu page, at the top right, you will find this settings icon. Tap on it. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under permissions, you will find the option of browser. Open this option. Now over here, you can find the option of cookies and cache. Tap on the option of clear. Tap on clear. After you do that, you can close your Facebook app. Now open your settings app. Head towards the option of general. Go to the option iPhone storage. Now head towards the app Facebook. Open it. You'll see the option of upload app. Tap on this option. Tap on upload app. This will clear all the cache from your app. After you do that, tap on reinstall app. And with that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can clear Facebook cache on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.